Hi students, today we will study Otto engine. Otto engine is internal combustion type 4-stroke engine. Air is a working substance and petrol vapor act as a fuel. Engine consists of cylinder fitted with, this is the cylinder. Cylinder is fitted with this piston. This is airtight, frictionless and movable piston. This cylinder have two valves, that is two windows, I1 and I2. I1 is inlet valve, I2 is outlet valve. There is also a spark plug which produces high voltage spark of current in the cylinder to burn the fuel mixture, that is a petrol vapor, and this piston is connected to the rod of wheel. Working of Otto engine. Working of Otto engine divided into 4 stages called as 4-stroke of the engine. In working, first stage, that is charging stroke, working is explained by using a graph or by using a Otto cycle. The graph is plotted pressure versus volume. First stage, that is charging stroke. Charging stroke is represented by the line A0A. When inlet I1 open, piston move outward. Through this I1, 98% pure and dry air and 2% petrol vapor taken inside the cylinder, and due to this mixture the cylinder gets charged, and this change is represented by line A0A. Volume increases from 0 to VA. The cylinder gets charged due to the mixture, so the name of the stroke is a charging stroke, and this is the first stage of working. Second stage or second stroke is represented by curve AB. Second is compression stroke. When sufficient amount of air and petrol vapor taken inside the cylinder, then these inlet I1 get closed in a second stage, that is in compression stroke. I1 get closed, piston move inward up to 1/8 of original volume, so that volume decreases VA to VB. The mixture of fuel and air get compressed. Due to the compression, temperature increases, that is up to ignition temperature. Change is represented by curve AB. In compression stroke, there is another step. On passing electric current through the electrode, then petrol vapors inside the cylinder get ignited. Little explosion takes place inside the cylinder, and amount of heat produced Q1 inside the cylinder, and this change is represented by line BC. Due to the little explosion, the temperature inside the cylinder is about 2000 degrees centigrade. Temperature increases by passing electric current, and change is represented by line BC. Third stroke, working stroke. this piston moves outward. Due to that, the mixture inside the cylinder undergoes adiabatic expansion. Due to the expansion, temperature decreases, and this change is represented by curve CD. Change is represented by curve CD. Now, outlet valve I2 open. The part of gas with amount of heat Q2 goes outside. Amount of heat Q2 goes outside. The change is represented by line DA. Due to this, pressure decreases. Fourth step, that is exhaust stroke. This piston push inward all remaining part inside the cylinder, that is burn unburned gases, forced out through this window I2. I2 is outlet valve, and this is exhaust stroke is represented by line A to A0. Volume changes from VA to 0. Original state is restored and cylinder is ready for next cycle. This is working of Otto engine.